Rick with the best of everything, and I'm looking at a HooToo model HT-UE02. This is a 3-port USB 3 hub with a little extra. It has a Gigabit Ethernet port built in. Let's take a look at it. Now that could be handy. Here we have the hub itself. The casing is made out of an aluminum alloy. Or 10/100 1000 Gigabit Ethernet port, and the USB 3 cable. This is a non-powered hub, so you want to be sure that your USB 3 port does have some power to it. So this one, up to 5 gigabytes per second on USB 3, compatible with USB 3, USB 2, and 1.1. Those, of course, no driver required. However, your Ethernet, now you are going to need a driver to run this Ethernet port. You have one supplied on a disk. I would call that the emergency. I would definitely check with HooToo support and see if there's a newer driver. You always want to look for a newer driver. So this supports IEEE 802.3AZ, compatible with 802.3. IEEE 802.3U and IEEE 802.3AB. Supports Auto MDIX, automatically detects standard crossover network cable. That's so that you can go from computer to computer, crossover cable. That way you can LAN 10/1000 or gigabit between two computers. Transfer data quietly. Supports wake up on LAN via link change, Magic Packet, or Microsoft wake up frame. Comes with the device, a manual, a disk, and a warranty card. Now, this is really nice. These guys, you know, they give you a warranty card. A lot of them, they're just like, oh, well, guess, take a guess. Maybe we'll be here. But HooToo, they're real good about that. Let me quote some of this. 30-day worry-free money-back guarantee. That's if in 30 days it's screwed, you get your money back. 30 to 90 days, if it's a manufacturer fault, they'll send you a prepaid shipping label. You just drop it in a box and send it. 90 days to 12 months, they'll replace it with a new one. Apparently that means you're due for shipping. If you register your product, you will receive an extra 6 months of extended warranty. Now that's 18 months of warranty on, you know, a piece of electronic hardware. You don't always see that. And they have this nice handy little doodah here, a QR code, which you can QR with your QR reading software on your QR-able phone. And this will take you to HooToo products registration, and you can register your HT-UE02. They are really, really good. HT-UE02, 3-port USB hub with Gigabit Ethernet. Get one. I did.